Any AI system requires rules to follow, so that is where we start. A compliance rule set contains a list of rules against which a large language model will compare a piece of work. We add as many rules within a set as are required, and we can denote both text versions of a rule or, if applicable, include rule identifiers that are contained within any documents that were given to the LLM as reference material. Next, we have compliance triggers. A compliance trigger tells the system under which conditions to apply a particular rule set. Currently, these rules can be applied to an approval request based on which specific markets, campaigns, tags, and deliverable types are applied to a deliverable. In this case, we only want to apply rules for work that is part of a specific campaign, but this could be triggered when any of a number of campaigns are applied to a job or a combination of the previously mentioned options. Finally, when the above conditions are met, we need to tell the system which rule sets to apply to the approval request. Here we are applying a set of brand guidelines as well as some other legal codes that we need to adhere to. As an approver, I am able to see the new AI tab in the Approval Centre. I am able to see which rule sets were applied to this work, as well as which rule sets have failed an initial review and an overall verdict with a short summary statement of failed rules. Clicking on a rule set will show the rules within it, as well as a response the LLM gave to each rule when assessing it against this work. In a multi-page PDF, rules that failed have a link to the page where the failure occurred. Users can navigate to the page, draw a markup, and apply the LLM response as feedback. We can also apply general comments in the same way.